Like most professions, accountants must abide by the accepted standards of their profession to properly carry out their duties. In United States v. Simon, the court considered whether an auditor can follow the professional standards of accounting but nevertheless be found guilty of fraud. Harold Roth controlled two companies, Continental Vending Machine Corporation and Valley Commercial Corporation. Over several years, Continental loaned $3.5 million to Valley. In turn, Valley advanced that money to Roth to finance his stock market trading. Continental's books recorded the loans as accounts receivable from Valley. Carl Simon was a senior partner with an accounting firm retained by Continental for auditing services. After reviewing Continental's financial statements, Simon and other auditors concluded that Roth couldn't repay the loans from Valley, and thus that Valley couldn't repay the loans from Continental. The auditors, therefore, asked Roth to transfer collateral to secure the debt. However, Roth's Continental stock and debentures made up the majority of Roth's collateral, and a portion of the remaining collateral was subject to prior liens. Although the auditors were aware of those aspects of the collateral, they prepared financial statements that didn't include that information. They also failed to mention that the accounts receivable from Valley represented the funds loaned to Roth, and that the value of those accounts receivable had increased between the end of the fiscal year and the date the auditors certified the financial statements. The auditors were charged in federal court with certifying false or misleading financial statements. At trial, several experts testified that the auditor's treatment of the accounts receivable and collateral in the financial statements was in line with generally accepted accounting standards. The auditors asked the district judge for an instruction that they could be found guilty only if they acted in bad faith by failing to follow generally accepted accounting standards. The judge denied the request and instructed the jury that compliance with generally accepted standards, although persuasive, wasn't conclusive proof that the auditors acted in good faith. The jury found the auditors guilty, and they appealed to the Second Circuit.